Today, we're looking at 15 electric bikes that you can actually buy on Amazon for under $500. Now, I know what you're thinking. Electric bikes for under $500? That sounds sketchy. Let's get into it. Number 15. Swagtron EB5 Pro Folding Electric Bike. This folding e-bike is one of the most popular budget options on Amazon, with thousands of reviews. The folding mechanism collapses the bike in seconds, making it perfect for people who need to store bikes in apartments or take them on public transportation. The 250-watt motor provides pedal assistance up to 15.5 miles per hour. The range is approximately 15 miles on a single charge, depending on rider weight and terrain. YouTube channels like Electric Bike Report show the folding process and real-world range testing. The 14-inch wheels are smaller than standard bikes, but make the folded package incredibly compact. The removable battery charges in about 3 hours. The weight is 37 pounds light enough to carry upstairs. The no-pedal throttle mode lets you ride without pedaling at all. Number 14. Ancheer Folding Electric Bike. Ancheer dominates the budget e-bike space on Amazon, and this folding model is their best seller. The 250-watt motor handles flat terrain and gentle hills easily. The 20-inch wheels provide better stability than smaller folding bikes. The range extends to approximately 20 miles with pedal assist. YouTube unboxing videos show the bike arrives mostly assembled, requiring only handlebar and pedal installation. The 3 working modes include pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike mode. The LED headlight and horn improve safety during commuting. The 7-speed Shimano transmission provides options for different terrain. Amazon reviews praise the value for money, with many reviewers using these daily for work commutes. The dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Number 13. Nakto Electric Bike City Cruiser. This classic cruiser-style e-bike brings retro aesthetics to electric biking. The 250-watt motor provides speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The range reaches 22 to 28 miles depending on conditions. YouTube channels appreciate the vintage look that doesn't scream electric bike. The 26-inch wheels feel like riding a traditional bicycle. The upright seating position is comfortable for casual riding. The removable battery allows charging indoors without bringing the entire bike inside. The single-speed drivetrain keeps maintenance simple. Amazon reviews mention the smooth, quiet motor. The rear rack supports cargo or panniers for grocery runs. The weight is approximately 48 pounds. The color options include multiple retro-inspired schemes. Number 12. Swagtron EB6 Bandit Trail Electric Bike. This fat tire e-bike handles rough terrain that would stop thinner-tired bikes. The 350-watt motor provides more power than cheaper models tackling hills and trails. The range extends up to 15 miles on throttle-only mode, and farther with pedaling. YouTube off-road channels test these on trails, showing surprising capability. The fat tires provide traction on sand, snow, and loose dirt. The front suspension fork absorbs bumps and roots. The 7-speed Shimano gears help on steep inclines. Amazon reviews from hunters and fishermen mention using these to access remote locations. The sturdy frame supports riders up to 265 pounds. The headlight and taillight improve visibility. The twist grip throttle allows pure electric riding. Number 11. ECOTRIC Fat Tire Electric Bike. EcoTric's fat tire model appears frequently in budget e-bike YouTube comparisons. The 500-watt motor is powerful for the price point, providing excellent hill climbing ability. The range reaches 20 to 25 miles with mixed riding. The 26-inch fat tires measure 4 inches wide, handling beach sand and snow. YouTube channels show these riding on beaches where regular bikes would sink. The 7-speed Shimano transmission provides gear options. The front suspension and fat tires create a surprisingly comfortable ride. Amazon reviews mention durability, with many riders exceeding 1,000 miles without issues. The LCD display shows speed, battery level, and distance. The pedal assist has 5 levels, allowing customization. The removable Samsung battery is higher quality than many budget options. Number 10. Sohoo 48 volts, 500 watts electric mountain bike. This full suspension mountain bike brings serious capability to budget pricing. The 500-watt motor climbs steep hills that cheaper motors cannot handle. The range extends to 30 to 35 miles with pedal assist. YouTube mountain biking channels test these on actual trails, showing legitimate off-road performance. The front and rear suspension absorb trail abuse. The 26-inch wheels balance speed and maneuverability. The 21-speed Shimano drivetrain provides gear range for climbing and descending. Amazon reviews from trail riders praise the value compared to $1,000 mountain e-bikes. The disc brakes provide stopping power on descents. The removable battery allows carrying a spare for extended rides. The sturdy aluminum frame handles aggressive riding. Number 9. Razer EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. This isn't technically a bike, but deserves inclusion because it fills the same commuting role. The seated electric scooter design combines bike comfort with scooter simplicity. The 500-watt motor reaches speeds up to 18 miles per hour. The range extends to 12 miles on flat terrain. YouTube Commuter channels show these navigating city streets and bike paths. The bamboo deck provides eco-friendly style. The wide tires handle rough pavement. The rear basket carries groceries or bags. Amazon reviews from college students mention using these for campus transportation. The comfortable padded seat beats standing scooters for longer trips. The kickstand supports parking anywhere. The weight is approximately 67 pounds, limiting portability. Number 8. Ancheer Power Plus Electric Mountain Bike. Ancheer's mountain bike model brings trail capability to budget pricing. The 250-watt motor handles moderate trails and hills. The range reaches approximately 25 miles with pedal assist. YouTube comparison videos show this competing with bikes costing twice as much. The 26-inch wheels and front suspension provide trail comfort. The 21-speed Shimano gears offer climbing options. Amazon reviews mention reliable performance over thousands of miles. The double-layer aluminum rims are stronger than cheap single-layer wheels. The disc brakes provide all-weather stopping. The removable battery charges in 4 to 6 hours. The professional assembly takes about 30 minutes. Number 7. Nakto Cargo Electric Bike. This cargo-focused e-bike handles shopping trips and errands efficiently. The 250-watt motor provides steady assistance for loaded riding. The range extends to approximately 28 miles unladen. YouTube urban cycling channels demonstrate grocery shopping trips. The large rear rack supports significant cargo weight. The 26-inch wheels provide stability when loaded. The 6-speed Shimano transmission helps when carrying heavy loads. Amazon reviews from parents mention using these for kid transportation and shopping. The step-through frame allows easy mounting even when carrying items. The removable battery charges while you shop. The dual brakes handle heavier loaded weight. The included headlight improves safety. Number 6. Swagtron EB12 Electric Bike. This lightweight e-bike prioritizes portability and simplicity. The folding design collapses for storage and transport. The 250-watt motor provides assistance up to 15 miles per hour. The range reaches approximately 15 miles per charge. YouTube minimalist channels appreciate the stripped-down approach. The air-filled tires provide better ride quality than solid tires. The simple single-speed drivetrain reduces maintenance. Amazon reviews mention reliability with minimal mechanical issues. The weight is only 32 pounds, making it the lightest option on this list. The compact fold fits in closets and under desks. The removable battery charges via standard outlet. Number 5. ECOTRIC Beach Snow Electric Bike. This specialized fat tire bike handles challenging terrain regular bikes cannot access. The 500-watt motor powers through sand and snow. The range extends to approximately 20 miles in difficult terrain. YouTube beach and winter channels show these riding where other bikes fail. The massive 4-inch tires float over soft surfaces. The 7-speed gears help in varying conditions. Amazon reviews from beach communities mention daily use for coastal riding. The sturdy frame supports riders and cargo. The pedal assist conserves battery in challenging conditions. The removable battery allows indoor charging. The headlight and reflectors improve safety. The color options include multiple beach-appropriate schemes. Number 4. Ancheer Folding Electric Commuter Bike. This commuter-focused folder balances portability and performance. The 350-watt motor provides more power than cheaper folders. The range extends to approximately 30 miles with moderate pedal assist. YouTube commuter vlogs show these handling daily city riding. The 20-inch wheels fold compactly while providing stable riding. The 7-speed transmission handles varied terrain. Amazon reviews from urban commuters praise the reliability. The double-disc brakes provide confident stopping in traffic. The removable battery charges at work or home. The adjustable handlebar and seat fit different riders. The included fenders protect from road spray. The headlight and horn improve urban safety. Number 3. Nakto City Electric Bike. This classic city bike brings simple electric assistance to urban riding. The 250-watt motor handles flat city terrain efficiently. The range reaches approximately 25 miles per charge. YouTube city cycling channels appreciate the straightforward design. The 26-inch wheels provide smooth rolling over pavement. The upright position improves traffic visibility. Amazon reviews mention years of reliable daily use. The single-speed drivetrain eliminates gear maintenance. The rear rack carries work bags or groceries. The removable battery charges conveniently. The step-through frame allows easy mounting in street clothes. The simple controls require no learning. The comfortable seat supports longer rides. The color options suit different aesthetics. Number 2. VIVI Electric Bike for Adults. This versatile e-bike balances features and price effectively. The 350-watt motor handles hills and headwinds. The range extends to approximately 25 miles with pedal assist. YouTube e-bike channels frequently review this model. The 26-inch wheels suit various riding styles. The 21-speed Shimano gears provide options. Amazon reviews praise the quality components for the price. The front suspension smooths rough roads. The disc brakes provide reliable stopping. The removable battery charges in 4 to 6 hours. The LCD display shows essential information. The 3 assist levels customize power delivery. The professional appearance doesn't look budget. The assembly requires basic mechanical ability. Number 1. Ancheer Electric Bike, 350 watts. This bike takes the top spot for balancing performance, features, and price. The 350-watt motor provides strong assistance on hills. The range reaches approximately 30 miles with moderate assistance. YouTube comparison videos consistently rank this highly for budget options. The 26-inch wheels and front suspension provide comfortable riding. The 21-speed Shimano transmission handles varied terrain. Amazon has thousands of reviews, averaging 4 stars, showing widespread satisfaction. The removable battery allows convenient charging. The disc brakes provide strong stopping. The professional appearance rivals expensive bikes. The included tools simplify assembly. The adjustable components fit different rider sizes. The 3 riding modes offer flexibility. The headlight improves safety. The sturdy frame supports larger riders.